Actor Ananya Pandey was grilled by the Narcotics Control Bureau for the second day today for her alleged drug links with Aryan Khan. The NCB claims it has 3 WhatsApp chats of Ananya and Aryan where the two are apparently talking about ganja. Ananya told the agency that she's never done drugs and that chats about ganja with Aryan were just a joke.
When confronted over drug chats with Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan, say sources. According to exclusive details accessed by India Today, the Narcotics Bureau has unearthed 3 drug-related chats between Aryan and Ananya. NCB sources reveal that the chats date back to 2018-2019, in which Aryan asks Ananya to get ganja for him, to which she says she will arrange it. Aryan also allegedly gave the number of a drug peddler to Ananya for the procurement. However, Ananya has outright denied procuring, supplying or consuming drugs and said she was only joking in the WhatsApp chats. She has told the NCB that the WhatsApp chats were about cigarettes and not drugs. Ananya has also claimed that she did not even know that weed was a drug. The NCB has also intensified its probe and seized an old phone of the actor. Her current phone is already in their custody. Data from the phones and other electronic gadgets is being scanned by the Narcotics Control Bureau agents. NCB sources say Ananya was very upset and broke down in her car before her first round of grilling. But as the Cruz drug bust case explodes, it's unlikely that the Narcotics Control Bureau is done questioning the young actor till all the characters of the case are unearthed. With Mustafa Sheikh, Divyesh Singh and Vidya in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.
The man leading the NCB Bollywood drug probe, Sameer Wankhede, finds himself in the line of fire. Maharashtra Minister Nawab Malik has alleged that the NCB zonal director allegedly extorted money from Bollywood actors when he was travelling to Maldives and Dubai. Wankhede calls these charges baseless.
Sameer Wankhede, the high-profile NCB official who put Aryan Khan in jail. For the last 3 weeks, ever since the drug bust on a swank cruise ship, Wankhede has been grabbing attention, turning the screws on SRK's son and others, ensuring they remain in jail. Now the man himself is feeling the heat, and from no less a person than a minister in the Maharashtra government.
We will not comment on anything.
Nawab Malik has charged Wankhede of extortion. To prove his point, the NCP leader questioned Wankhede's visit to Maldives at a time when several Bollywood stars were present there. Malik then tweeted a picture of Wankhede in Dubai.
अधिकारी स्वयं दुबई और मालदीव में क्या कर रहे हैं, इसका खुलासा अधिकारी को करना पड़ेगा, समीर वानखेड़े को। हम मांग करते हैं वो बताएं, वे दुबई गए थे क्या कारण था वो वहाँ गए। हमें तो पूरा यकीन है कि सारी उगाई मालदीव और दुबई में हुई है, जिसकी तस्वीरें हम आप लोगों को देंगे।
मैं गया था मालदीव्स में, बाकायदा गवर्नमेंट की हमारे जो कॉम्पिटेंट अथॉरिटी होती है उनकी परमिशन मैंने लिया है। आई हैव नेवर बीन टू दुबई, whatever time he is stating that.
The NCB officer admitted that he went to Maldives with his family but never met any Bollywood star there. He denied he was in Dubai in December 2020 as claimed by the minister.
मैं सरकार की परमिशन लेके अपने बच्चों के साथ में, अपने फैमिली के साथ में गया हूं, तो अगर उसे एक्सटॉर्शन कहते हैं तो दिस इज नॉट एक्सेप्ट।
Wankhede has outrightly rejected Malik's extortion charges and said he's contemplating taking legal action against Nawab Malik. Nawab Malik's serious charges against Wankhede come at a time when the NCB officer has come under public glare.
I am a central government employee, so I have to take due permissions from my seniors, and after that I will take a legal course.
He himself committed. Even the NCB press note says he had been to the Maldives, but he denied that he was not in Dubai. Definitely law is there in this country. He is free to take legal path.
With many believing he is taking an unduly harsh line against Shah Rukh Khan's son. The Aghadi government too has repeatedly accused the BJP of misusing central agencies to target Bollywood celebrities. With Mustafa Sheikh in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.
This is where we wrap up the news track tonight. Have a great weekend. I look forward to seeing you Monday evening, 8 p.m. Till then, from all of us here on the news track team, goodbye, good night.